Say hello to Ooni Fyra, the successor to Ooni 3, the award-winning portable pizza oven that has launched millions of pizzas worldwide. Building on our years of innovation and experience, Ooni Fyra is designed for ease of use and ultimate portability. Ooni Fyra streamlines wood-fired cooking, fired by wood pellets for a no-nonsense experience in pizzas with epic flavor. With Ooni Fyra, you can create truly great wood-fired pizza fast in any outdoor space. Ooni Fyra has a specially designed fuel tray and grate to ensure incredible fuel efficiency and optimal airflow. Like all Ooni pizza ovens, Ooni Fyra reaches up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius. That's the blazing heat needed for cooking authentic Neapolitan-style pizza in just 60 seconds. The simple wood pellet hopper gravity feeds hardwood pellets right into the fire, so you get a longer-lasting burn with minimal maintenance. Just top up the fuel tray with pellets, light, and you're all set. You can be truly spontaneous with Ooni Fyra. It's ready to start cooking awesome pizza within 15 minutes. The built-in flame keeper maintains a robust fire and directs flames toward dishes as they cook, while the corduroy stone baking board locks in heat for perfectly cooked, crispy pizza bases. The oven body is insulated with ceramic fiber and finished with a powder coating, meaning superior heat retention and weather resistance. Pack and move Ooni Fyra with these. This portable pizza oven weighs just 23 pounds or 10 kilos. And the chimney, pellet burner, flame keeper, and hopper are all detachable. Store them inside the oven and get going. We're a member of 1% for the planet, so ordering Ooni Fyra means you'll be helping to plant trees through our partnership with Eden Reforestation Projects. Ooni Fyra is fuss-free, fast, and flaming hot. Get ready to fire out amazing wood-fired pizza anywhere.